Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making Jamaican sorrel cake, so please stick around and watch this video. Happy holidays. The ingredients are 1 pound of fresh sorrel, 5 eggs, red label wine, white rum, 1.5 cup of sugar, brown sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of soaked pureed fruit, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 sticks of butter, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of clove, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And these are my awesome ingredients for this lovely sorrel cake. First, I'm going to start by preparing the sorrel. I have 2 cups of water into this pot. I'm going to turn the heat on. I have 2 sticks of cinnamon and some cloves. And I'm going to let this come to a boil, then I add the sorrel. It has come to a boil. And now I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove off and add the sorrel for it to steep. And I'm going to let this steep for about half an hour. Finish steeping and I allow it to cool down. And now I'm going to puree it or blend. And this is the amount of liquid. You want it to be this consistency, nice and creamy. If you like it with the sorrel chunks in it, you can add some sorrel chunks, but I like mine all pureed and smoothly chopped. Everything smooth and nice. Okay, and this is gonna give you about 2 cups. I'm gonna measure it out right now. And you want to use the liquid measuring cup, not the dry ingredients measuring cup. This is a 2 cup liquid measuring cup. So now we have our sorrel puree. Simple and easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and cream the butter and the sugar. And you want your butter to be room temperature because it's easier to work with. I'm going to go ahead and add the eggs gradually. So this is how you want it, nice and creamy. Now I'm going to add the soaked fruits. I'm just going to mix this in. Now I'm going to add the sorrel puree. I'm gonna mix this in well. A tablespoon of white rum, and a tablespoon of red label wine. You can use any red wine you got. You don't have to use red label. You can use port wine, cherry wine, any wine you want to use. Gonna mix this in. I'm gonna use vanilla extract and almond essence. I'm gonna go ahead and sift my dry ingredients. And half teaspoon of salt. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the flour gradually. Now I'm gonna add 2 to 3 drops of food coloring. This part is totally optional. You can go ahead and bake it like this, but I'm gonna add 2 to 3 drops of food coloring, just like I would add the browning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven 350 degrees and grease my baking tin. And this is a 10-inch baking tin. And here you have it, guys, 1 hour and 45 minutes into the oven, or if you insert a toothpick into the cake and it come off clean, you know it's baked. It's all done. Guys, this is my beautiful sorrel cake, and I have a small one here, a small sorrel cake here. They're smelling amazing. I can imagine the taste. And now I'm just gonna go with some royal icing on top. You know it's Christmas, so we just want to go ahead and decorate, you know, do something extra for the sorrel cake. So I've just made my royal icing, and I'm just gonna add it on top. You want the cake to cool down before adding the royal icing. And I'm not doing anything that fancy. I'm just doing the top. I'm just doing the top of the cake. And you just want to go ahead and smooth this off. I'm gonna go right into it and cut the cake so you guys can see how the cake look on the inside. See, I'm very moist. This is very, very, very moist. This is a very moist cake. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. See, moist. This is how you want it, guys. If you already reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is smelling so good. It smells similar to the black cake, but has sorrel in it. Oh my god. This actually tastes better than this actually tastes way more better than I expected to be. See, very moist, and the icing is totally optional. I just did that because I wanted to do that. So as I said before, if you reach this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and leave me a comment down below. And thanks for watching my video. See you in my next one. And this is how I make my Jamaican sorrel cake. And here I have some sorrel drink to wash it down. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.